Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your Snapchat camera error. If you're having trouble with your Snapchat's camera giving you errors, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Starting from the simplest and working our way up, so stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from a notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Try clicking on other photos from Snapchat if it still gives you error. Now long press on the Snapchat icon, and now on the bottom right of the Snapchat you'll see a eye kind of looking icon, so click on that icon. Now scroll down and click on storage and then hit the option of clear key. This clears out all the old data that might be causing issues. If you're an iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of the previous methods help, go ahead and uninstall the app Snapchat from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. In many cases, this is the final fix which helps you solve stubborn problems like camera error. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.